Alright guys, we're going to do a Shining Fates opening. See what we get. Code card. Nicket, Gossifer, Cacnea, Cufant, Bizzle, Energy, Floatzel, Rusted Sword, Luxio, Tropius, Dreadnought. Nothing good there. Another Shining Fates pack. Let's see what we get here. I would love to get a good card, actually. Cacnea, Shinx, Nicket, Rowlet, Trapinch, Energy, Bogeye, Tropius, Cramorant, Zarude, and that. I've seen better. Got a few Evolving Skies. Let's see what we got here. White card. Code card. Energy. Switching Cups. Tentacruel. Boldor. Bagon. Woobat. Tempo. Sign. Eevee, Swoobat, and Elgross. Another. How to say this artwork. I'm trying to save each artwork of each pack. We already know this ain't gonna have nothing in it. Let's see here. Death Energy, Water Energy. Nope, Fire. Flaffy, Pyroar, Single Strike, Scroll, Cutifly, Pika, Applin, Lily, Emolga, Eskew, Appleton. Another Evolving Skies. Code card. Leaf Energy, Treasure Energy, Flaffy, Brave Rear, Flyway Bird, I'm kidding. Scraggy, Bagon, Woobat, Tempo, Sign, Palitoad, and Sinistoad. Cool. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save that one for later. So we got 5 packs to open. See what we get. And here, I knew way to open them. There you go, guys. Let's set these out of the way. Start doing it like this now. The Wacky, Bogeye, Tropius, Spinarak, Shinx, Coffin, Horsey, Grookey, Bogeye, Professor's Research, Bad pack. Code card. Fire Energy. Luxio, Flaky, Ball Guy, Rowlett, Trey Pinch, Snom. It'd be nice to get the Charizard, wouldn't it? Grookey, Spinnerack, Choodle. Oh, got us a gym trainer full art. I don't know if I have that one or not. I like the full art gym trainers though. Yeah, forget. If you pull back on it right here, most time it'll just pop open and save your pack work. Pretty cool. I usually don't save any more than one of each, just for nostalgic reasons. You know. Water Energy. Nope. Gym Trainer. Cramorant. Tropius. Yama. Pico, Eevee, Gossifleur, Yama, Sweet Sobble, I don't have that one, and, Greedent. I have those. Not this one, though. I would love to have a collection of all these shinies. It'd be nice, but it's hard to do. I think they are 122 of them. I got maybe 20. If I can reach about 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. It'd be nice. I get enough subscribers, I can get me little stuff saved up, get me a nice computer or a camera. That way I can do better video quality for you guys. I do the best I can with what I got. Just hoping the channel will grow. Leave a like or leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like the channel. What y'all would like to see me open. On my ghost hunting part, tell me where you'd like me to go in the East Tennessee area, and I'll go there. Give you a shout out for picking the spot for me. Coughing, Shinx, Trey Pinch. Whoa, I love that one. Coughing and that one. That's one of my favorite shinies cards, and I finally just pulled it. That is awesome. That is awesome. Sweet. Shiny Fates, I like that set, but Hidden Fates is my favorite set. They're just so hard to find. If you order them online, they're too expensive. I don't know if I'm ever going to pull a Charizard out of here. One of these days, maybe. Luxio, Gym Trainer, Nickit, Rowlett, Trey Pinch, Weasel, Coughing, Restless Sword, and another Galarian Weezing. Well, that's it for tonight, guys. I'll hopefully have more videos tomorrow. Y'all have a good night. And this is what we pulled, guys. We got a Galarian Weezing, an Eldegoss Hollow, another Galarian Weezing, a shiny Score Bunny, a Hollow Thievul, Full Art Gym Trainer, another shiny Sobble, Gradient V, and my favorite, the Shining Coffin. I did a short video with only one pack, but I did get this out of it. So heck yeah, guys. Some pretty good pulls for tonight. We'll see y'all next time.